This is an example of a finance application in section 7.3. It says that Mary has $9,000 to invest. She will invest it into 3 accounts that yield different interest. Because of the 3 accounts, we're going to set up this problem as a system of 3 different equations. We're going to let X be the amount of money that is going to go into an account that pays 8%. We're going to let Y be the amount of money that's going to go into the account that pays 9%, and Z the amount of money that's going to go into the account that pays 10%. Now you can think of it as 3 different banks if you wish. So the setup, as I mentioned, will become a system of 3 equations. The first equation is a total money equation. All the money that will go into account X plus all the money that's going to go into account Y, and then also all the money that's going to go into the account Z is all the money that will be invested, and that has to add up to 9,000. The second equation is an interest equation. I'm multiplying each amount that's going to go into the various accounts by the percentage, except I'm not using the percent. I'm using the decimal representation of a percent. And the last one is a comparison equation, which I'll explain in just a moment. So for the last equation, the information that you need to set that up, I've just highlighted. It says that Mary deposited twice as much money into the 8% account as she did in the 10% account. So in the little rectangle that I just made, the little box, we don't know how much money is going to go into the Z account or the 10% account. So I put a $1 sign there. But whatever that amount is, we do know that twice as much is going to go into the X account, or the account that pays 8%. So I put $2 signs there. So our equation should be X is equal to 2Z, because it's going to take twice the amount of Z, which is smaller, to be equal to the amount that's going to go into X. Now, when we do the setup, the system of equations of 3 variables, we're writing the variables all on one side and the numbers on the other side. So I'm going to simply subtract the 2Z from both sides and get X minus 2Z is equal to 0, which will be my last equation. And that is the setup.